How to fix Uber Eats app not working. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So the first step what you want to do is open App Store if you are using an Apple device, or open Google Play Store if you are on Android device. Now go to the search bar and search for Uber Eats here. Okay, now tap on the application. Now make sure that your app is updated to its latest version and there are no any pending updates. Now another step what you can follow is just scroll down to your control panel and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is strong. If not, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and wait for some time until you turn it on again. Now the third step what you can follow is just open your settings, then go to General, tap on iPhone storage, scroll down and search for Uber Eats app. Okay, tap on the app. Now just tap on Offload app. Let's wait for a while. Now wait for some time before reinstalling the app. Now by following these steps, you will be able to fix your problem. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.